Did you know there's a hospital where patients keep seeing the same nurse who died 20 years ago? At St. Mary's Hospital, night shift workers refuse to walk the third floor alone. They all report the same thing. A nurse in an old white uniform walking the halls at 3 in the morning. She checks on patients who aren't there, opens doors to empty rooms, and writes notes on charts that vanish by morning. The strange part? Security cameras never catch her. But patients in room 307 keep pressing their call button, saying a kind nurse just gave them medicine. The problem is, no nurse was scheduled for that room. Hospital records show Nurse Margaret died in 1998. She worked the night shift on the third floor for 30 years. Her last words were that she couldn't leave her patients. Staff say she never did. Would you stay overnight in a hospital with a ghost nurse? Comment below if you've had a supernatural hospital experience, and follow for more spine-chilling mysteries.